Good evening, everyone. Testimony was heard in a Saginaw County cold case murder where a suspect was arrested more than 20 years after the crime. Jason Cabello was arrested last year and is accused of killing a Birch Run Township woman in 2003. The main piece of evidence in the case, his DNA. 47-year-old Jason Cabello was a longtime City of Saginaw employee. He was arrested in December, accused of killing 57-year-old Jeanette Wilton in February of 2003. Her body was found in the Flint River, not far from her home. Police say she was strangled, stabbed, and sexually assaulted. A murder weapon was not recovered. Cabello was identified as a suspect by the Michigan State Police cold case team last year, as investigators say his DNA matched the DNA found in Wilton's body. Cabello has been found competent to stand trial. The case is being prosecuted by the state's Attorney General's office. Wilton's niece was once married to Cabello, and his ex-wife testified that Cabello was abusive, drank heavily, and would black out. Cabello's own aunt testified about unwanted sexual advances from Cabello in 2005 and says he struggled with injuries he had sustained in an earlier car crash. Michigan State Police Detective Sergeant Bill Arndt testified that after they determined Cabello's DNA matched DNA found in Wilton's body, they interviewed him 3 times. Cabello was asked about the night in February 2003 when Wilton went missing and if he was with her.
He said he wasn't, and I believe I even asked him if he had killed her, and he said no.
When he was told his DNA was found in the murder victim,
I think his words were, "I get it," and he knew the reason. Like, that was the reason we were there to talk with him. Like, I get it. Her DNA or your DNA came up inside of her, so I think he understood why we were there.
Cabello also denied ever having sex with Wilton. Assistant Attorney General Danielle Russo-Bennett asked Judge David Hoffman to bound Cabello over for trial.
I'm given 3 opportunities to just fess up. When presented with the numbers quadrillion, he says, nope, I never touched her, never touched her. And it's unexplainable. It exceeds the common sense.
Cabello's attorney, Sarah Koser, says there isn't enough evidence for the case to continue.
There's nothing showing that the DNA and the homicide were contemporaneous.
And Judge Hoffman says he will make a ruling on whether or not the case will be bound over to circuit court at a later date.